Wait. 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 Wait.
Well, if you wait a bit long enough, it makes the chirping sound.
Wait. Wait. Wait.
That one over there just went off. That one has a medium button. This one over there has a medium button. That one was not. That one was ripped out, and that one over there does it. So I'm guessing all these have the rapid tick. So I'm not going to do a fully extended take.
Wait.
All of these, this intersection and a couple other intersections around the area from Hardy Road all the way down to Rudisill, and the crosswalk down there also have these buttons now too. So maybe stay tuned for future videos for these.
Wait.
But this is the intersection that used to have the faulty ones.
Wait.
Yeah, if you do the shaking wave thing, it does the secret message. Let's see if this one has an S. 2D, interesting. So what is it, a 2DS? There goes that one.
Wait.
Looks like the sensor might be broken on this one. Hella sensitive. I take it this one's gonna have the rapid tick sound, so probably not gonna.
Wait.
Yeah. This one's a little bit messed up.
Wait.
Is that what the little sensor thing is? I think it is. I don't know. If it does the rapid tick, I'll go ahead and go. This is not the greatest place. Oh, by the way, I think I heard one of them just say change password again. Oh.
Wait.
Oh, I didn't even push it. That's it.